Hello YouTube, this is Siemens today. I went to Yale today and I bought this. The Flexgear Videosaver 500. It's a video capture card. I bought it because my old capture card, an AC cap, was not compatible with my new computer. It only supported Windows XP and Windows Vista. However, this one supports Windows 7, which I've been running for the latest month or so. So I decided to make an unboxing video. I opened it a slight bit here, when I tried to figure out how this was packaged, and you just pull apart here, see, and there it opens, the little holder there, and you just tear off this thing. Just gonna place the camera here. Not sure if you can see it, but I think the sound effects speak for themselves. Right, I opened it. Here is just a description in focus. A description in Swedish for this device. Flexgear Videosaver 500 video grabber for digitizing film. Connect, for example, your VHS player or video camera to the video grabber and transfer the material to a computer for safe containing, mature, and easy and simple access and copying. Video management software, or video editing software, is included for both Mac OS X and Windows. Swedish installation guide is included. Contents: video grabber, adapter cable, CD with software, Swedish manual, connections, USB 2.0, composite RCA, S-Video Mini DIN, stereo sound RCA, resolution 720 through 576, 25 frames per second, power, blah, blah, blah. Size 70 through 29 through 10 millimeters. Compatibility: Windows XP, Vista 7, 32 and 64 bits, and Mac OS X. I'm just going to open this up here. It's another little the manual and the software. See here, adapter cable, maybe extension cord, sort of. As you can see, I haven't made my bed, so excuse me. I think I'm going ill. And I have, here's the device itself. It's very small. Flexgear logo, some buttons, maybe for taking snapshots. Let's see, made in China, of course, like everything. Here are the cables, the composite super video there, and sounds, and you just simply plug this in. It's kind of hard to control with both hands, so you have to excuse me. But there it is in place, and now you can connect your stuff, and then you put it right in the computer. You will eventually see me using this. So yeah, that's all. Siemens Dean, and there will be a new energy drink collection video coming up, because just today I reached 150 cans. So I will see you soon. Goodbye.